आज एक मदर अपने 18 साल के लड़के को लेकर मेरे पास आई, जिसे हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और थोड़ी किडनी की तकलीफ भी थी। एंड द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस शी अटर्ड टू मी वाज, सर, प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स ने मेरे बेटे की किडनी खराब कर दी। इस स्टेटमेंट में कितना सच है और कितना झूठ, और कितना मिथ है और कितना फैक्ट, आइए इसे एनालाइज करते हैं। So are protein supplements really that dangerous for the kidneys? This one question I get asked at least once daily by especially the Gen Z population. The answer, of course, is there is no blanket answer. Protein by itself is very, very good for the body as well as for the kidney. But excess of anything is bad. And adulterants and contaminants are bad. So what kind of protein is good for whom and how? If you are consuming whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, plant protein supplements, those are safe for the kidneys. But before taking these supplements, it is always advisable to check for your kidney function first. Because हो सकता है कि आप में बेसलाइन कोई किडनी डिजीज रही हो और आपने वो एक्सेस प्रोटीन लेके अपने किडनी को डैमेज कर दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रोटीन लेने से हमारे किडनी के अंदर जो फिल्टर होता है, जिसे हम ग्लोमेरुलस कहते हैं, उसका फिल्ट्रेशन प्रेशर बढ़ता है एंड द किडनी स्टार्ट्स टू फंक्शन मोर. So now, if you are taking high protein in a patient who already has a compromised kidney function, there a problem can occur. But usually that is even not the case. What are the red flags with respect to protein supplements? The red flags are anabolic steroids, mass gainers. कुछ protein supplements में very high calorie intake रहता है, that is to gain the mass. There are certain heavy metal contaminants which have been reported even in international brands, जिसमें कि heavy metals लाने की arsenic, mercury, lead पाया गया है. Those are severely toxic to the kidneys. Certain fat burners, so-called fat burners, are present in certain powders. Those are bad. Certain herbal additives which are anonymous, these can cause a tubulointerstitial nephritis in the kidneys. Very high sugar or fructose containing drinks can again damage your kidneys. Now coming to creatine. Creatine is safe in persons with normal kidney at an optimal dose. Now what is the dose? 3 to 4 grams per day. Remember, अगर कोई पेशेंट क्रिएटिन ले रहा है तो बॉडी में जाकर वो क्रिएटिनिन में कन्वर्ट होगा, और वो जब अपना सीरम क्रिएटिनिन टेस्ट करवाएगा तो उस पेशेंट का क्रिएटिनिन ज्यादा आएगा. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसकी किडनी डैमेज हो रही है. बट यस, अ पेशेंट ऑफ किडनी डिजीज शुड अवॉइड क्रिएटिन सप्लीमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो आई रिपीट, please check for red flags like heavy metal contaminants, anabolic steroids, high creatine supplements, high fructose or calorie-rich drinks. Please stay hydrated. What happens is, in the gym, due to intense workout, you get dehydrated. That also causes a stress on the kidneys. And if you don't get hydrated, you consume all these things, that causes damage to the kidneys. Please check your kidney function. Only opt for reliable brands, and please check the ingredients of a protein supplement before taking it. And do not take very high protein intake if you don't work out that much. So it is advisable to contain your protein intake within 1 to 1.2 gram per kg per day, unless you work out for that level where you have to build on that muscle mass that maybe only the professional bodybuilders and the weightlifters do. but 99% population don't fall into that category. So please be cautious. Thank you very much.